have the same problem that I had. I was moving to another country, and where I came from, I had a 230 volt 50 hertz cycle, and now I'm living in a country where I have a 120 hertz 60 hertz cycle, and the appliances for it, just like the lighting or the ceiling fans. And I was always looking for a solution, and I now found it. It could also be that you are living in the military and you travel a lot, or you're living on a boat and a yacht and you have the same problem. You have 120 60 hertz appliances, but you only get 230 volts 50 hertz. For this, I will today introduce you the PowerXchanger. With the PowerXchanger, we have the ability to transform 230 volts 50 hertz easily into 120 60 hertz. So when you buy this transformer, the PowerXchanger, you get it very perfectly packed, so nothing could get damaged while it is transported and delivered to you worldwide. And let's see what you get in the box. In the box we have two cases, and in the first case you will get an installer kit. That means you will have the ability in the house to install 120 volt sockets with the American standard plug. You get two sockets with the first kit, and you get the adapter where you can hook up the PowerXchanger right into the circuit. In the second pack, you will get a variety of cords. So wherever you are on the planet, you will have the ability to plug the PowerXchanger in. It also comes with a handy manual for the PowerXchanger. The PowerXchanger I'm showing you today will be the installer series. So the installer series has the ability to be directly connected into your existing installation in the house, and I will show you this later on, how this is going to be done. If you take a look at the chart on the right side, you already see the possibilities, and I will now show you how to hook up the PowerXchanger installer series. And if you might consider buying it, the installer series has the ability to adapt to the power supply you needed. It starts with a 5 amps, then a 10 amps and a 15 amps unit at the moment, and it's going to be expanded. The PowerXchanger is now fully unpacked, and this is how the device looks like. You have the PowerXchanger right in front of you, and the PowerXchanger has on the back the ability for brackets, so you can mount it on the wall with a wall mounting plate, or you can just put it down like this to have it sitting on a flat surface, or you use this wall mounting plate and you put it on the wall and you hang it wherever you would like to have it. On the left side of the unit, here on the back, we have the power in for the 230 volts 50 hertz cycle, and on and off button. And here on the right side of the unit, we can connect either appliances directly, or we can connect it to our existing circuit. You can just hook it up to your electric panel, and I will show you this later on. I will now connect the PowerXchanger to my 230 volts 50 hertz cycle. I plug it in on the back, and I will turn it on. And to better show you, I will turn the unit around. So you can see, once you have turned it on, this LED lights up. It is lighting in white, And you can also just take an existing appliance like a Jigsaw, plug it right in, and it is perfectly working with 120 volts, 60 Hertz. So now I'm here where I have my main power. I am living here off-grid in the Caribbean. That means that I produce my own electricity by the sun whole year round, 365 days. And since I moved here from Europe, I brought all my European appliances. So I created a 230 volt 50 Hertz cycle with my SMA and BMZ system. And we here at Planet International, we design these systems. We sell them, we teach you how to install or do the installation for you no matter where you are on the planet. If you need this service from us, you can contact us, no problem, we assist you. And here I have my PowerXchanger, and I have hooked up everything to my main panel. So in here I have a 230 volts 50 Hertz cycle and another cycle, it's 120 60 Hertz, which is connected to the existing circuit for the ceiling fans and LED lighting in the house. So that's how I do my installation. You can just hook it up with the cable, with the power cord, and that's basically it. This is one way to do the installation. So now you've seen how the PowerXchanger is working, how you can hook it up to your existing installation in the house when you are living in a place where you get supplied a 230 volt 50 Hertz, but you would like to have at least one circuit with 120 volt 60 Hertz. And the PowerXchanger Installer Series is your solution. And remember, you can buy this unit for 5, 10, 15 amps, and in the future there will be more amps available, and also the ability to transform 120 60 Hertz into 230 50 Hertz. So we are working on this. So if you need more information, just click on the button you see in the video, and I will talk to you soon with another video. And for today, have a good day, enjoy the rest of the day, goodbye.